Guys, ito guys makikinig lamang po tayo, okay? Kung paano po mabuking etong si Sara Duterte patungkol nga po diyan sa mga donasyon ng China nung mayor pa siya. Ganyan pala karami ang donasyon mga kababayan ang natanggap po ng Davao City. Nung mayor si Sara Duterte. Ito pakinggan po natin, let's go.
The Chinese embassy donated 1,000 tablets to Davao, Davao City. Turnover tablets to Mayor Sara Duterte of Davao City of the Philippines via online. Sara Duterte conveys support for China amid COVID-19. Express her support for the people of China who were dealing with the coronavirus. Okay? China's ambassador to the Philippines, Wang Xilian, attended the ceremony and delivered the computers to Mayor of Davao, Sara Duterte. Kita niyo ba? Okay. China stands ready to support Davao City on the Mayor of the City. Yan, tingnan natin to. Ay, ba't ayaw? Kita ba yan? Ayun, para meron. Ayan, Okay, September 2020, held video conference with Davao City Mayor. So, medyo mukhang okay naman talaga yung relationship nila. Ambassador Wang highlighted the sound momentum of bilateral relations between anti-epidemic cooperation between the two sides. Reiterated China's commitment to a long-term, sound, and stable relationship with the Philippines. He applauded Davao City's progress on fighting, okay? So, nakita nyo na, marami naman binigay sa kanya. O, di ba? Yan ang kanilang pag-uusap. Pero wala naman masama sa friendship, mga kapit. Two Chinese sisters helping Davao City. With agreement, okay? Post, okay? May mga natanggap pa itong mga Davao City received donation. Ayan, received donation from Ambassador Wang. Ito na pala yun. 1,000. Tapos, ito pa, a total of 1,715 laptops. Na-account ba to? Parang, hindi ko alam kung may problema to sa COA were distributed to beneficiaries. Diba? May ambulansya pa to eh. Okay, tingnan natin Ito the thanks city government of Nanning in China for donating a city bus to the city government. Di ba? Ang dami natanggap. Kaya tingin ko hindi siya makakapag-salita ng against si China. Ang dami niya natanggap. Mayor Inday Sara visit sa city of Nanning in China. Ay, pumunta pala siya sa China. Davao City has standing sisterhood agreement with Nanning. Mayor was received by Nanning City Mayor Joe Hongbo. Donated 2 buses to Davao. One to be used within the city and one for long distance travels. Diba? China's bet on Duterte pays off. Through its consulate in Davao, Beijing aided the vaccination effort by donating, 43 motorcycles pa pala, and huge number of 14. Tignan natin. China's bet? Bakit China's bet? China's bet? Ay? Continued. Okay. Ayan, okay yan. Makita ko lang. Wala tayo. Hindi ko mabasa iba. Wait, whoops. Ano pa? Sige, tingnan natin. Marami to eh. At PH, okay, contribute to this travel, says to travel China thanks him for the vaccine. Travel pa siya to thank for the vaccine. That's 2021. Okay. Ito. Ano nangyari dito? Ay, COA flags pala, Davao City. COA flags, Davao City's donations record. Hindi pa, mga kaklir hindi pa to confi funds Mayor pa lang siya nito. Wala pa rin yung mga donation, walang record, Kaya pala ganun yung mga piatos. No? In 2021 report, auditors said the donations mostly meant as COVID-19 pandemic were exposed to the risk of loss. Ano nangyari? Risk of loss, mishandling, and misappropriation. Hala, noon pa pala may issue si VP Sara. Pagdating sa mga nakukuha. Anong leadership ito? The donations were received by the city government during the last full year of administration of then Mayor and now Vice President and Education Secretary. Anong nangyari? Ayan In report, the auditors noted that the city government also adjusted its property inventory list by removing some of, laki, 188.814 million worth of local government property from the list. Anong nangyari dyan? The author said they found several vehicles donated to the city unlisted. Unlisted! Hindi nakalista for the motor vehicles and grants and donations in kind. Ala, saan dinala? Ay, mga kaklina, binabasa ko lang to ha. Contrary to international public sector, ano kaya nila to? Na-settle kaya nila to? O, ito ha. Vehicles donated to the city in 2021 were unrecorded. Oh, one land ambulance. No, di makita? Ito alam ko galing China. Oh, ayan, sabi ko sa'yo, bigay yan China nung ambulance eh. Ambulances, alam ko, ilan to? 4. Oh, nasaan na? Di lang pala confi funds na may problema. Naku, dapat mamaya pala natin to tinapik kasi confi funds yung topic natin mamaya.
Oh, ayan guys, napanood po natin, nakita po natin mga kababayan na talaga namang napakaraming donasyon, okay, ang nakuha or natanggap po ng Davao City or nitong si Sara Duterte sa China. So mga kababayan, totoo kaya na nung panahon ni Rodrigo Duterte, yung Davao City ay talaga hong naging probinsya na ho ng China, 'di ba? At ang masaklap pa niyan mga kababayan, na-flag din ho pala yan ng COA. Okay? Na yung mga donasyon na nanggaling ho sa China ay nawawala. Hindi ho na proper documentation. So paano nga naman na maging leader yan, di ba? Oh, nawawala yung mga donasyon. Sara, saan mo pinaglalagay yon? Oh, ito ngayon, Yusek Castro. Kaya 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 inaatake kay Yusek eh. Napakagaling mong mag-research eh. Oh, mga kababayan sapul na naman, booking na naman itong etong pang etong pang ngangango ni Sara Duterte sa mga Dabawenyo. Okay? Dahil yung mga donasyon nasaan? Wala. Hindi nakarating sa tao. Ganun lang yun. O kayo po, ano masasabi ninyo? Comment down below po and please follow, like, and share for more. Peace out.